Hello and welcome back to day 4 of the AI for Musicians series. And in today's video, let's see how can we transcribe music. Yes, transcribe music. Now, if you don't understand a particular language, let's say for example, German, right? So you can transcribe and then translate, right? Likewise, whenever you're learning music, or if you want to understand how was the guitar played, okay, what were the keys that were played in the guitar or drums and so on and so forth, you can transcribe and then use that notes. So let's check how to use this particular tool and how easy it is to understand the music language. So today we are looking at clang.io, and we have Clang has products like Transcription Studio, which will transcribe everything in the music. Okay, if you want piano to notes, then you upload piano, it will give you the notes. If you want guitar to tabs, then you can upload the guitar playing music, right? If you want a drum to notes, then you can upload that, sing to notes, and so on and so forth. If you want all of them together, then you can upload the entire music and use Transcription Studio, right? So let me click on this and it will ask us to log in. So I'll click on sign up. So you can see here I'm logged in. Okay, I can go to new transcription and I can use the file. This is where we have this particular music which has all the things sound of Salar, right? So it's asking whether it is multi-instrument or single instrument, like what is that we want to fetch, right? Is it rock, ensemble and orchestral arrangement and so on and so forth. Let's go with multi-instrument. And it's asking whether do you want it to be auto-detected or do you want to manually select what are those. I'll go with auto-detect. Okay, and then click on next. Do you like to provide additional information? No. Clangio should automatically detect additional options for me. Okay, so I'll click on next. And then this is the title and author is Rich 7 Surveys. Okay, I'll click on I assure that the title and composer of the piece of music are entered correctly. I'm not the composer of the music. This is my account details. Correctly, and that I have the rights to create digital and modified version of this piece of music. I'm not really sure. Okay, I am definitely not the author. We have just downloaded this from some platform. Okay, again, the point here is to just educate you, okay, and not use for any commercial purpose or anything of that sort. Okay, so I'll just go ahead, click on start demo. So please use this with utmost care. Okay, don't use it for commercial purpose or anything else. I'm just showcasing you by uploading a particular music on how do we get all the notes. So almost 80% done, and there you go, everything is ready. So if I click on open sheet, okay, before that let me play this. Okay, and this is Sound of Salar, music by Ravi Basrur, Hombale Films, right? So if I click on this one, it opens up the details. So let me just close this, and you can see guitar standard tuning. Okay, then we have piano, then we have guitar, we have I don't know what is BS, right? Violin is available, SYN, I don't know what is that, and we have all of these details. So if we actually play this song, okay, we can check it out. Just give me a minute, I'll play it from here. Okay, DR is probably drums, Okay, and this will be done for only the first 20 seconds. If you want more, you can click on transcribe full audio, and that will consume some credits. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this because I want to show you what we get as output. So let me just open it up, and you can see piano, guitar, bass, okay, then violin, this is synth, and this is drums. Okay, we get all of these details from that particular music that we uploaded. Now, one more interesting feature here is you can go to this one, which is piano roll view. And now if you play the music, right, let me play it from the beginning. You can actually see what keys are being pressed. Okay, so you also have the option of what all to be selected and what to be played and stuff like that. If you disable something and then play it, that particular instrument will not be included while it is played. Now, if you go to download, then we have an option of downloading it as MIDI. Okay, it's musical instrument digital interface, right? So we can get that output as well. We have export MIDI U and Q, raw note timing MIDI for DAWs. So let's see what is DAW, right? It is digital audio workstation. Okay, then we have export music XLM and Lily fonts. Okay, now let's go back, and if we go to Clangio, no, this is not the one. Be careful, this is the one, clang.io. Okay, and if you go to products, then we have transcription plugin. So this is more like an application that you can download on your Windows or Mac, and this will allow you to convert your music into MIDI files, just like how we saw. But this is an application that can be downloaded and used. Okay, now next up we have piano to notes. Okay, we can upload any of the file, any of the music, and get the notes for that particular piano to notes. Okay, so basically you can give this to a piano player so they understand what needs to be played. Let's wait. Can I go here and do this? Let me check. Yeah, piano to notes. I'll just click on this. I think this will be faster. So new song, choose the file. Let's say I'll go with Zara Zara. Right, so you can see here we have multi-instrument. Okay, for multi-instrument audio, single instrument or arrangement. Create a playable arrangement from any song. I'll go with this single instrument, and we have piano, organ, or pitched percussion. So let's go with piano. It's asking what's a genre. I'll go with I don't know. Include pedal marking. I'm not sure. Maybe yes. Okay, so we'll click on next and then no. Let this decide. And author, as I mentioned, I'm not the author, but this is just for demo purpose, nothing else. So it's generating the piano notes for us. Let's wait for it to finish. It will be done in no time, as we could see that, right? And this is the notes. You can see here, piano. Let me play this. Okay, there you go. So happy with the first 20 seconds, transcribe full audio, unlock full potential. So if you go with the paid plan, then you will get edit your sheets, download as MIDI, music XLM or Lily Pond, and more, right? And also transcribe up to 15 minutes at once. Okay, of course you can download this and use it however you want. Now let's look at something which is meant for singers. Right, so I will go here and let's say sing to notes, right? So we'll go here And let me click on this, and we're going to go with any of the songs. Let's go with Zara Zara. Okay, we have single instrument and we have vocal, right? So I'm going to click on this, include lyrics, yes, and detect automatically the language. Click on next, I'll say yes, start demo. 15%. Okay, it's taking some time. Let it finish. Okay, so let me click on this one. It's ready, and you can see here it is available, right? So let me play this. You can see the lyrics available over here actually. Okay, so you could see that you have this, lyrics, okay, and musicians will understand. So singers will understand like how long they have to stretch a word and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's about this particular thing. Of course, you can download this and use it. Likewise, you can do it for any of the options available, right? So we have a lot of them. So piano to notes, guitar to taps, drums to notes, scan to notes, wind to notes, violin to notes, and finally we also saw Clangio transcription studio. So that's how you can use clang.io to get notes for particular instrument or even for singers. I hope you're enjoying this series. We have one more video to go, so stay tuned. And if you have still not shared it with your music loving friends, please do. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.